With this project, Mainstreaming Biodiversity across agricultural sector to implement the Kunming-Montreal Global Biodiversity Framework, and in particular with this learning journey, we hope to build the capacity within the 3 focus countries of the project, so Laos, Madagascar and Uganda. We hope to equip our teams and the counterparts in the governments to have better knowledge and understanding on how to accelerate the engagement of agri-food sectors on biodiversity and implement the NBSAPs of their countries.
This learning journey provided a platform to discuss best practices, address challenges, and share lessons learned in promoting biodiversity across agriculture sectors to help these countries implement their biodiversity commitments under the Convention on Biological Diversity. It featured a series of discussions in Kampala and interactive field visits. Before the introduction of this seed bank, finding indigenous seeds was a challenge. However, after receiving trainings on the benefits of seed banks, we began to reach out to village elders to collect these indigenous seeds. We started planting them, and over time, we were able to grow enough to supply local farmer field schools. The advantage of these indigenous seeds is their resilience. They are disease-resistant and less susceptible to pests compared to commercial crops.
Nous avons pu constater aussi que la production de semences locales.
We found that local seed production helps reduce the use of pesticides. We will promote this practice further in our country for the benefit of communities, with the aim of increasing the number of local seed producers to meet the population's agriculture needs, while ensuring food security and environmental sustainability. Farmers also showcased a range of vegetables, beans, maize, soybeans, groundnuts, and more, all grown from seeds sourced from this seed bank. They then visited a farmers' exhibition in Nakaseke district, where a variety of seeds and food grown using different biodiversity-friendly practices were on display.
We visited a climate-smart site where a farmer here in Uganda has planted coffee alongside banana trees. We don't have water. We suffer a lot during the dry season. The coffee nearly dries out. That's why we dig drainage channels in the garden to preserve water for the coffee during droughts. We also plant grass along the garden edges to reduce runoff. The second problem is pests, like the black coffee twig borer, which dries out the coffee twigs. We try to fight them with traps. I think you've seen them.
This learning journey that has been championed by the Food and Agriculture Organization with consent from Government of Uganda has been a very good experience sharing event. As we all know, the agricultural landscapes host a lot of biodiversity, both plants and animals, and without bringing the farmer on board and ensuring that their practices are sustainable, cannot guarantee sustainable environmental management or even biodiversity conservation.
We are in overdrive to implement sustainable, resilient food systems in Uganda. And that's why we have initiated the formulation of the National Agroecology Strategy.
It's not only about promoting biodiversity, but also the practices that we are promoting. For example, apiary, you're getting other returns from increasing the biodiversity. For example, we're able to get honey and all other byproducts, and thus improving the livelihoods of the communities or the farmer field schools that are engaged into biodiversity.
I'm going to apply or adapt the technology know-how in terms of biodiversity mainstreaming in our agriculture development in the next term. I hope to share the result of what I am applying into Laos, back to Uganda, and also to the Madagascar team through FAO in the future.
We expect that participants in the learning journey are going back to their countries with knowledge and skills on mainstreaming biodiversity, which will help them to play a significant role in the processes to review and update the National Biodiversity Strategy and Action Plans.
Abeka babatumite bagenyi baffe tusanze obbala batusanyuse mwenna bagenyi baffe era ddemma munnyoga emirembe. Abeka babatumite bagenyi baffe tusanze obbala